How about this out-of-the-box idea? I'm Micah Chartrand, sales representative with Royal LePage Team Realty. And if you've been considering an Airbnb this 2023 summer, look no further than this super cool opportunity at my new listing just outside of Round Lake Center. Behind me, you will find a spacious acreage on approximately 2.6 acres. We have an awesome setup which could be included in this purchase. The current owner is using a bus and a tiny home, and this amazing opportunity is one of a kind. You are just across the road from the Bonnechere River and mere moments to Round Lake Center, where you can access the pristine waters of Round Lake, close to Golden Lake, Killaloe, and so much more. This opportunity won't last long. Call me today for your own private viewing.